Hello everyone, welcome to Shishu World. Today we are going to share with you Indian style masala pasta. We already have a pasta in white sauce recipe if you want to check it out. So for this recipe we are going to need pasta. Here I have taken penne pasta and this is boiled pasta, 1 cup boiled pasta. So you can also take macaroni or fusilli or any shape that your child likes. Then we need some vegetables. So I have onion, tomatoes, yellow bell pepper, capsicum, zucchini. You can also add corn, peas, carrots, broccoli, whatever your child likes. I also have cheese here. I have taken mozzarella cheese. You can also take parmesan if you have. I have 1 teaspoon olive oil, some butter, salt, pepper. This is all to taste. I also have some dried herbs, tomato ketchup, and that's it. So now we will heat a pan, and to this I've added some oil and butter as well. So once they are slightly warm, I will add my garlic. We don't want the oil to be very hot. We just want the flavor of the garlic to come. We don't want to brown them or anything. So once they have been sauteed, we will add the onions, and again we will saute the onions till they are slightly transparent. This one is a very nice, spicy, and yet just yummy recipe, and my whole family loves this. So this is getting sauteed nicely. We'll now add the tomatoes. I'll put all the quantities in the description box. Put the vegetables. Capsicum goes in, yellow bell pepper, zucchini. I've chosen the vegetables which will make this a very colorful pasta. So you can choose whatever you like. Nicely, they don't take very long to cook. Just saute them for some time and then they'll be fine. We'll add the seasoning. In go the salt. Mix it well. The water will ooze out after you've added the salt, which will help the cooking. And I'm doing all of this on medium heat. Then the pepper. A little bit of red chili powder, even though I didn't show it. This is Kashmiri chili powder. It also gives it a nice color and slightly that spicy taste. So just saute everything well. And my tomato sauce. So add a little bit of water to make saucy consistency and to help the vegetables to cook well. If you are adding peas, parboil them before adding them with other vegetables because they take a little longer to cook. Yeah, so these look nicely cooked now. So at this point, I've also added a tiny bit of sugar just to balance the taste because it was very tangy. So that is up to you. If you like the taste, just taste a little bit of the sauce and then take the call. So now just for a minute I've covered it. Everything looks nicely done and it's time to add the pasta. Before that I'll add about I'm first adding the herbs. Then I'll mix it well. And I'm adding just about a tablespoon of water to it because that will help in combining the sauce with the pasta. So everything will get mixed up nicely and it will taste very well. So just add all the cooked pasta. Pasta has been cooked according to the label on the pack. And it's all ready. It's so yummy. I'm sure you and your child will love it. Just serve it topped with the cheese, and that's it. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this recipe, and also to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again very, very soon.